Mac trick every reader should know about the hands-free note-taking. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and I will guide you to the Mac trick every reader should know about hands-free note-taking. So, your MacBook has a built-in feature called dictation that turns your speech into text. So, in order to enable dictation, go ahead and open System Settings on your Mac and scroll down on the left side toolbar and you will see the option for keyboard. Tap on that and then find the dictation option and further toggle on the button for dictation. Optionally, you can choose a shortcut like press Ctrl key twice or press the Option key twice or any other provided options. You can then go ahead and select your microphone source, that is MacBook mic or external mic. And in order to use this feature, you can go ahead and open Notes, Pages, or any app where you can type. Now trigger dictation by pressing the key that you previously set for the command. I'll press the Control key twice. Now go ahead and speak clearly and your words will appear as text in real time as you can see here in the screen. You can say your punctuation out loud such as comma or new line or enter. So this was about Mac trick that every reader should know about hands-free note-taking. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.